Hi everybody! Can you hear that? That's the sound of a Savage. It's right there outside, but before I show it to you, I want to tell you the story of how I got it started.
This is a story about a young boy heading out into the garage about to start his new toy. With gasoline he filled her up, making sure to catch every last drop. He pulled the choke, gave the throttle a yank, and prayed to God that the engine would crank. He turned the key expecting a roar. Instead he heard an engine asking for more. The air is flowing free, the spark is bright and blue. It must be the fuel that isn't flowing through. A vacuum-powered petcock might need its vacuum hose. I guess we'll put it in even though it looks pretty gross. But the hose was old and cracked and couldn't hold the seal. So the boy replaced it with this rubber cap to finally seal the deal. I guess I pulled the carb and give it a proper clean. After all, it's the only thing standing between the engine and the gasoline. Boom went the bike and sent both the battery and the boy into a scare. The battery needed charging and the boy a change of underwear. The engine springs to life and it's running pretty well, but I must admit, it's loud as bloody hell. But what is all that smoke? Turn it off, she's gonna blow! Oh, never mind, it's just a pipe wrap putting on a show. The carb might be running lean, or it might be running rich, but at least it's running and it sounds like a son of a b****. And this, boys and girls, is where the story ends. The story about a Savage and a boy that finally became friends.
Wow, that was a beautiful story. The sharp-eyed among you might have noticed that I was running the stock tank. And that is because when I started to fill up the coffin tank, I saw some tiny leaks. So that one is back on the welding table and I will run the stock tank until that is fixed. And some of you might wonder, where is the bike now? Well, it's right there, behind me, on the floor. In pieces, and that is because I'm preparing it for paint. And if you want to see what color I will go with, you might want to consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this little story time, maybe leave a like as well. And now I will let you listen to that Savage once again, and I will get back to my book. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!